Let's face it, in the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power, but knowledge is useless without the right tools. Think of it like trying to pick a lock with your bare hands. You need the right equipment. In the realm of Wi-Fi hacking, that essential tool is a dedicated Wi-Fi adapter. It's your gateway to the invisible world of wireless networks. You might be thinking, my laptop has a Wi-Fi card, isn't that enough? Sadly, no. Built-in Wi-Fi adapters are designed for everyday use. Browsing the web, checking emails, streaming videos. They lack the crucial functionalities needed to delve into the exciting, and let's be honest, slightly rebellious world of ethical hacking. A dedicated Wi-Fi adapter is specifically designed to bypass these limitations. It allows you to capture raw network traffic, inject your own packets, and even create fake access points. It's like trading in your bicycle for a high-performance sports car. So, if you're serious about mastering Kali Linux and exploring the depths of ethical hacking, investing in a good Wi-Fi adapter is non-negotiable. Trust me, it's the key that unlocks a whole new world of possibilities. As I mentioned earlier, those built-in Wi-Fi cards that come standard with your laptop, they're great for catching up on your favorite Netflix show. But when it comes to the more serious business of ethical hacking and penetration testing, they just don't cut it. Why? Because they're designed with limitations. Manufacturers intentionally restrict their functionality to prevent malicious use. These limitations primarily revolve around two critical features: monitor mode and packet injection. Monitor mode is like giving your Wi-Fi adapter a pair of X-ray glasses. It allows you to see all the wireless traffic in your vicinity, not just the data meant for your device. Packet injection, on the other hand, is the ability to craft your own data packets and send them over the network. Without these capabilities, you're just a passive observer in the wireless world. You can't analyze network traffic, test security vulnerabilities, or experiment with different hacking techniques. It's like trying to learn surgery without ever picking up a scalpel. Imagine being able to listen in on every conversation in a crowded room. That's essentially what monitor mode allows your Wi-Fi adapter to do. It's like switching your adapter from a regular radio to a police scanner, giving you access to all the raw, unfiltered data flying through the airwaves. In technical terms, monitor mode disables the MAC address filtering that normally restricts your Wi-Fi card to only processing data intended for your device. This means you can capture packets from any device within range, regardless of its MAC address. Why is this important for hacking? Because it lets you analyze network traffic, identify vulnerabilities, and gather information that can be used in further attacks. You can see what websites people are visiting, what data they're transmitting, and even capture sensitive information like login credentials if they're not properly secured. Without monitor mode, you're essentially blind to the vast majority of wireless activity happening around you. It's an indispensable tool for any aspiring ethical hacker. Monitor mode lets you observe the wireless world, but packet injection lets you interact with it. It gives you the power to create your own data packets and inject them into the network, effectively becoming a man in the middle. This capability opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for ethical hacking. You can use packet injection to test for vulnerabilities, inject malformed packets to see how a network responds and identify potential weaknesses, conduct denial of service attacks, flood a network with traffic, overwhelming it and making it unavailable to legitimate users. Remember, only do this on networks you have permission to test. Spoof MAC addresses. Make your device appear as a different device on the network, potentially bypassing security measures. Packet injection is a powerful tool that should be used responsibly and ethically. In the wrong hands, it can be used for malicious purposes. However, for ethical hackers and security professionals, it's an essential tool for understanding and mitigating network vulnerabilities. Now let's discuss the use of monitor mode and packet injection. Firstly, cracking the code, capturing handshakes. One of the most common uses of monitor mode and packet injection is capturing WPA and WPA2 handshakes. These handshakes are like secret codes exchanged between a device and a Wi-Fi router whenever a device connects to the network. By capturing these handshakes, you can then use brute force or dictionary attacks to crack the password and gain access to the network. This is a crucial step in many penetration testing scenarios, allowing you to assess the strength of a network's security. The process typically involves using tools like Aircrack-ng and Wireshark in conjunction with your Wi-Fi adapter. You'll need to capture enough data packets containing the handshake, which often requires de-authenticating a connected device to force it to reconnect and resend the handshake. This is just one example of how monitor mode and packet injection work hand in hand to give you the tools you need to ethically hack Wi-Fi networks and improve their security. The art of deception: evil twin attacks. Let's dive into a more advanced technique that relies heavily on a capable Wi-Fi adapter: evil twin attacks. Imagine setting up a fake Wi-Fi network that looks identical to a legitimate one. Unsuspecting users connect to your rogue network, thinking it's the real deal, and unknowingly hand over their sensitive information to you. That's the essence of an evil twin attack. This is where your Wi-Fi adapter's ability to create fake access points, also known as APs, comes into play. Tools like HostAPD allow you to configure your adapter to mimic a legitimate access point, broadcasting a familiar SSID or network name and even copying the signal strength. Once a victim connects to your evil twin, you can monitor their traffic, inject malicious code, or even redirect them to phishing websites. While this technique can be used for malicious purposes, ethical hackers utilize it to demonstrate the vulnerability of public Wi-Fi networks and educate users about the importance of verifying network authenticity. Remember, ethical hacking is all about responsible disclosure and using your knowledge to make the digital world a safer place. Choosing your weapon-recommended Wi-Fi adapters. Alright, let's talk hardware. Now that you understand the importance of a dedicated Wi-Fi adapter and the capabilities it unlocks, it's time to choose the right one for your ethical hacking arsenal. Not all adapters are created equal, especially when it comes to supporting monitor mode and packet injection in Kali Linux. You'll want to look for adapters that use specific chipsets known for their compatibility and performance in Kali. Here are a few popular options that I recommend. First, the TP-Link AC600. This is a classic choice for beginners and experienced hackers alike. It's affordable, reliable, and widely supported in Kali. Next, the Panda Wireless PAU09. Another excellent option that offers a good balance of performance and price. And lastly, the TP-Link TLWN722N. This adapter is a budget-friendly option that still supports monitor mode and packet injection. When choosing an adapter, pay attention to the chipset used. Atheros and Realtek chipsets are generally well supported in Kali. You can find a comprehensive list of compatible adapters on the Kali Linux website. Essential tools for the trade. Once you have your hands on a compatible Wi-Fi adapter, you'll need to equip yourself with the software tools that make Wi-Fi hacking in Kali Linux possible. These tools are the bread and butter of any ethical hacker's arsenal. First up, we have Aircrack-ng. This is a suite of tools for cracking WEP and WPA/WPA2 encryption keys. It's used for capturing handshakes, launching dictionary attacks, and ultimately cracking passwords. Next is Reaver, specifically designed for cracking WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup pins. While WPS is designed for easy setup, it has known vulnerabilities that Reaver exploits. Then there's Aircrack-ng, a tool for enabling and disabling monitor mode on your Wi-Fi adapter. It's the first step in capturing wireless traffic. Another essential tool is HostAPD. This allows you to create fake access points, which is essential for performing evil twin attacks and testing network security. And finally, Kismet, a powerful network detector, sniffer, and intrusion detection system. It provides a comprehensive view of wireless activity in your vicinity. These are just a few of the many tools available in Kali Linux for Wi-Fi hacking. I encourage you to explore and experiment with these tools to further enhance your skills. Remember, knowledge is power. And the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to protect yourself and others from cyber threats. Unlock the power of Kali Linux. So there you have it. A dedicated Wi-Fi adapter is not just an optional accessory, but an absolute necessity for anyone serious about delving into the world of ethical hacking and penetration testing with Kali Linux. It's the key that unlocks a treasure trove of tools and techniques, allowing you to explore the depths of wireless security. By understanding the limitations of built-in Wi-Fi cards and the immense power of monitor mode, packet injection, and fake access point creation, you gain the ability to assess network vulnerabilities, test security measures, and ultimately contribute to a safer digital world. Remember, ethical hacking is about using your knowledge for good, responsibly disclosing vulnerabilities, and helping others protect themselves from cyber threats. So, choose your weapon wisely, master the tools of the trade, and embark on your journey into the exciting world of Wi-Fi hacking.